Hello everyone, it's me again, Michael, and I'm going to be taking a look at problem 4 from your target round. So we have Marvin has a box containing only red and blue balls. Initially, the probability of randomly picking a red ball is 25%. After Marvin adds 19 green balls to the box, the probability of picking a red ball becomes P. Then he adds balls 3 at a time, one each of the colors red, green, and blue, into the box until the number of red balls becomes double what it was before. The probability of picking a red ball is now Q. Given that 20Q equals 23P, compute the number of blue balls that Marvin added. So, looking at this, we initially only have blue and red inside the box. And we know that since 1/4 of them are red, that means that 3/4 of them are blue. So let's say that the number of balls that are red, let's go with R, and then that means that we would have 3R that are blue. Now, this is where we're starting. Now, then what happens is that 19 green balls are added, right? So at this point, the probability of picking a red ball is P. So that means that P is equal to R over 4R plus 19. And then what happens is that balls are added, one each of all of the colors until the number of red balls is doubled. So that means that from R, right, the number of red balls becomes 2R. But the important thing to note is that we're not doubling everything, right? Because then the probability, would just be the same. We are adding the same number of each of them. So going from R to 2R means we have added R balls that are red. So we're going to do the same thing for blue. So 3R to 4R and green. So 19 to R plus 19. So that means that the new probability that we pick a red ball at random is going to be Q equals the total number of red balls, 2R over the total number of all 3 colors of balls is 7R plus 19. And now we can plug that straight into our equation. We have 20 times 2R over 7R plus 19 is going to be equal to 23 times R over 4R plus 19. Cross multiplying gives us 160R plus 760. Is that right? 40 times 19 is equal to 161R. So I cancel. So first an R was canceled out on each side. So that's why I lost that. So then we have just cross multiplying constants to the denominators. That makes things a lot easier. Plus, and then 23 times 19 here we have 437. So solving for this gives us R equals 323. Now, what does R equals 323 mean? Well, that tells us that number one, we originally had 323 red balls in the box, but that's not what the question's asking. The question's asking the number of blue balls that were added to the box. Now, that is also equal to R because note that when we doubled the number of red balls, we also added R of each of blue and green to the box. So that means that R is actually the quantity that we're looking for, which is 323.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.